Excellency.
To the President.
Welcome to the state.
I'm glad to see you.
Welcome. Very good. Excellency, may I introduce your aide-de-camp, Lieutenant Nkuruho.
Your Excellency, I have the honor to present the letter of credence which the President of the Republic of Uganda addressed to Your Excellency, accrediting me as the High Commissioner of the Republic of Uganda, the Republic of Fiji. Excellency.
Your Excellency, I'm very pleased to receive your credentials. I welcome you most warmly to the Republic of Fiji and wish you a happy and a very successful mission. Please convey to His Excellency the President, the Government, and the people of the Republic of Uganda our warmest wishes for their continued well-being, peace, and prosperity. Congratulations and welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome to Fiji.
I'm glad to be here.
Good to see you.
Thank you.
Let's take a picture photograph, sir.
Excellencies.
Nawali Rani.